Hi, my name is Veena and I live in Sylmar. It was time to remodel my bathroom, upgrade it, and then it was old and I wanted something new, like a dream bathroom. I found Trig Builders online and then met Mr. Yossi, who came in, and then we talked about it. We looked for several other, but Mr. Yossi was the best deal we got from him. The job was very clean. I'm very happy with the tiles they did. The shower doors look very beautiful and the tiles look very beautiful. The workers were nice, asked us our opinions, how to assemble the, what design, what way we're going to put the tiles in. I would definitely recommend Trig Builders to my friends and families. Thank you, Mr. Yossi. Thank you, Trig Builders, for giving me a beautiful bathroom.